Hi students, Object Oriented Analysis and Design Lab exercise 12th exercise, lab code is 8582. 12th exercise is Conference Management System. Conference Management System project, also we have to draw the UML diagrams, use case diagram, class diagram, sequence and collaboration and activity diagrams. So now I will go to design the sequence diagram. Okay, here the self call is there. So self call is new to you. So I will go to draw the sequence diagram. Open the argoUML, file new, new profile. So here sequence diagram. This is the new sequence diagram tool. Okay. So when we click on the new sequence diagram tool, we will get the tools present inside the sequence diagram toolbox. Okay. New classifier role. Just click and drop on the placing drawing area. Okay, three use cases, three classes. So member, organizer, central system. For the sequence diagram, you have to write here in the name text field. Okay. Member, three classifiers. Then member is self-called the organizer. So member is send the planning message. So organizer return invite delegates message. So it is self-call process. Here this is the self-call. New call action, new send action, new return action. This new create class action, new destroy action. So self-call action. We will take the new self-call action. Just click and drag the button self-call. Here we have to write the, for sequence diagram we will always used to write the text in the name text field. Okay. Planning invite delegates. So planning. Click on the outside, then click on this arrow, then type the text. Invite delegates. Okay. Click on the outside of the drawing area and check whether they are reserved or reserved. This is also self-call. Check whether they are reserved. Messages sending from the organizer class to central system. So central system respond to the particular message as reserved and reserved. Okay, check whether they are reserved. Self-call message. It is already selected. This arrow is already selected. So I will go to move to the text field to type the text. I am selecting this arrow and type in the text field. So it is reserved. Okay. Then allocation sheet. Member is send the message, self-call message to the organizer as allocation sheet, presenting paper. Click on this arrow and type in text field. Allocating sheet. So here we can see the dotted line. Here it is the vertical bar. See, this vertical bar is changed to the dotted line. So this dotted line, this is the lifeline of this particular object. So sequence diagram used to represent the timeline of the particular object lifetime. So in this particular period, this object is living life. In the dotted line, this object is not live. But in this self-call button, this self-call placed in this time, this particular object is living. So, time living or time living. In this dotted line, this object is not living. So, dotted line is used to represent the lifeline. See, this object is living full time in this project. So this is the vertical bar. So member object is living full time of this project. Okay. So till we have to complete the project. Next, organizer is sending self-call message. Check whether presentation is good. So it is central system is returning the message presentation, good presentation. Okay, seeing this only you can tell this is the vertical bar present in the full time of the project. But here dotted line, we have dotted line. So these are the objects living in a particular time in this project. So sequence diagram used to represent the timeline of the objects, timeline of the classes. Thank you, students.